The Redmi Note 8 and Note 8 Pro. The latest is a leaked document which reveals full specification of the device and price based on different variants. Some of the details of Note 8 Pro have already been confirmed by the company themselves over past week. The leaked document obtained by Twitter user Xiaomi shows the device is said to have Gorilla Glass protection on its front and rear. It is equipped with reinforced corners for protection against drops. The document reveals the phone has a dimension of 161.3 into 76.4 into 8.8 mm and is said to weigh 199 grams. The phone is said to have 6.53-inch IPS LCD with 1080 x 2340 resolution, something which the company has already confirmed is the MediaTek Helio G90T chipset on the device. In terms of optics, the phone is said to have quad camera setup, 64MP primary sensor, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro lens, and 2MP depth sensor. On the front, the device is said to have 20 megapixel selfie snapper. The Redmi Note 8 and Note 8 Pro prices in Chinese yuan, and by the looks of it, Redmi's Note series could become a little more expensive. I will provide the price and its different variants on the screen. Battery-wise, the phone is said to have 4500 mAh battery, which supports 18-watt fast charging. The Redmi Note 8 and Note 8 Pro is confirmed to debut on August 29 at an event in China. It will be one of the first 64 megapixel camera smartphone, and such as there's a lot of expectation behind the device. So guys, I will see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.